Welcome back, students. We'll start the last chapter of our MS syllabus. We will be completing the last chapter in today's class. It's a very small chapter and also a very important chapter because it shows how important it is for us to avoid being jealous of anybody. Jealousy is something which is natural, like it is one of the natural instinct of human beings. If you do not have jealousy instinct, if you do not have the instinct of jealousy, then you are not a human being. You are not a, you will go to the level of being a sage or being a priest, like who attend the level of such will stop having jealousy, the feelings of jealousy. So that is what exactly is important. It reminds us that we are human beings. We have not reached to the level of any sage or any priest. So what is jealousy? It is a feeling of resentment caused by pleasure and progress of other people. We all have jealousies, right? Like if my friend is doing much well, I will have jealousy even without thinking that maybe it is my fault that I'm not putting in much efforts as compared to him or her. I will have jealousy. I will be jealous of that person. It can happen between siblings also. Like if my sibling is getting more attention, more a bigger piece of chocolate as compared to me, I will be jealous of my sibling. It can happen between anybody and everybody, and it happens between anybody and everybody. I'm sure you all have experienced this in our class, or even now. If one is getting more marks or one is securing more marks in the exam, you are like, okay, fine, I'm not getting much marks in this particular paper, even without thinking that that particular person who have got more marks have put on more efforts, have worked harder as compared to you in their studies. But you will be like, okay, fine, I'm jealous of him or her, I will not share my notes with him or her, I will not make him or her understand anything because he or she will be securing more marks. This is what the instinct of jealousy is. So there is a small story which is given over here, which will help you to understand again better. And so there was a landlord in a village. He was the richest person in the village. He had many elephants, horses, arms, and the tallest house. So he was rich and he had important possessions with him. He was very happy, and he was proud of his wealth because obviously he had so much of wealth with him. So he was quite proud of his wealth. So when he visited his friend, when his friend visited him, he showed him his wealth, his possessions, his territory, and all of that with great joy and pride. He told his friend that he had the greatest number of horses and elephants, diamonds, and the tallest building. So he showed his wealth to his friend. The same friend of the landlord visited him next year, and the landlord's friend, the friend found that the landlord was not happy at all. Why? So when he asked him, you have everything, you have the tallest house, you have enough of wealth, you have enough of elephants, you have respect, everything, why are you not happy? So his neighbor told him that the landlord told his friend that my neighbor has built a house which is taller than mine, and this particular fact is troubling me, or this particular fact is making me unhappy. So the landlord's friend was surprised to know that, and why was the landlord was and the landlord was like, he understood that the landlord was jealous of his neighbor, and he was not unhappy because of any sorrow, because but he was unhappy because his neighbor was doing much better as compared to him. So he was having the feeling of jealousy. So now, is jealousy now there has been question asked over here, is jealousy harmful or does it do anything wrong? So jealousy can make you unhappy. It will prompt you to do evil things like theft or murder, anything as such. It can make one ill, sick, both physically and mentally. It results in quarrels and fights. And so here, small token of this one. moral has been given that try not to be jealous of any person. So when a person is jealous of any other person, it makes the particular person immoral, and it also makes a person how use unfair means, and it also acts as a slow poison. Now this can be a good moral for you people, like in your exam, maybe in your exam you aren't prepared enough, but you have an exam next day. You are making some notes, you are making some ways, you are thinking of ways how to cheat, and you are doing that particular thing, but that will not actually fetch you happiness, because maybe in that particular exam you will get more marks, you will get more marks as compared to your friends, and you will be rewarded well, but will it actually help you to learn anything new, or will it actually help you in the future? Because you will not be aware of writing, you will not be aware of what you have written, or you will be not aware of what you are supposed to learn. You have written after seeing something, so you have just written and then you have forgotten. That's quite natural. You will not have the knowledge, you will not have the actual knowledge with you, which will again affect you in your future, because if you know the things, if you have certain knowledge, if you have enough knowledge, that will help you in every aspect. But if you do not have knowledge, if you are using unfair means and getting rewarded, then this might give you instant happiness, but later on this will affect you. So that is how jealousy creates makes a person immoral, and this also leads to like various other problems, and this is considered to be a slow poison. So that will be all. That is the end of the chapter and end of your syllabus for your annual term as well. That will be all. Go through the chapter and let me know if you have any doubts, and that will be all. Thank you.